Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Emirates NBD how to close account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to close your Emirates NBD account, the first thing that you need to do is prepare your account. Withdraw or transfer all funds so the balance is zero, banks won't close an account with the money inside. Cancel direct debits or standing instructions like bills or automatic transfers, so nothing tries to debit after you close the account. Settle any loans or fees you have with the bank. They won't close the account with liabilities. Then what you need to do is visit a branch. Customers must go in person to Emirates NBD branch to request closing. So once you visit the branch, take your Emirates ID or password if you are abroad. Bring your debit or credit card, unused checks or checkbook. Then simply tell the staff you want to close the account and fill out the account closure form. Then staff will process the request. It usually takes 3 to 5 working days to finalize. Then you can ask for confirmation email or later once it's closed. Then third, close from abroad. If you are not in UAE, you can simply head over an Emirates website and download the NBD account closure form from there. Then fill it out and sign it and email it from your registered mail to Emirates NBD with your password copy and closure request. The bank may ask you to send cards or checkbooks by mail or courier. Once complete, they can close the account about a week. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.